Today we're going to take a look at the Peterson Great White LED Work Light. Now, this is going to be a spot beam design to have a more focused light, so it's going to work out well on off-road equipment, maybe on the outside of your tool shed or something like that. Has a nice, durable, water-resistant construction with a matte black powder coat finish. The housing itself is made of a die-cast aluminum, so it's going to be very durable and also rust-proof. On the front, our lens is going to be made of a tough polycarbonate lens, so that's going to be impact resistant, and it is IP68 rated, which pretty much means that it's going to be impervious to water or dust, even if it's submerged. So a lot of uses for this. It'll be more than ready to face any outdoor situation that you put it through. It's going to be a pretty bright light. Turn on power to it, and you can see it's a nice bright little light. Turn off the light in the studio. That'll give you a better idea of what it's going to be like in a low light situation. So you can see it's a really focused light. So that's what it means by that spot design. So I've got the light out about 3-ish feet from my hand, about as far as my arms can extend, and it's still very bright. It's rated at 700 lumens, so good output of light there for just our single LED. The nice thing about this being an LED light is that there's pretty much no maintenance required with this. There's no bulbs to change out, so since there's no filaments that can burst on you. So again, very rugged, durable light. To get this connected, we'll have 2 wires to hook up, just power and ground. Works with 12 volt and 24 volt systems, DC. The operating voltage is going to be between 9 volts and 48 volts with a power draw at 12 volts of 1.3 amps and at 24 of 0.65 amps. At the bottom you'll see we'll have a little bracket with the hardware included to get that installed, so whenever we have this mounted up we can adjust that light to get it at the right angle for us. Our wire is going to be 20 gauge, so kind of small on the smaller side with that black PVC jacketed harness going around it. The wire is going to be about 10 inches long overall as far as usable length. And then our light is about 2 1/8 wide, or about 2 1/4 wide, and about 3 3/8 inches long, going from the top of the light to the bottom of our bracket, and about 2 9/16 inches deep, or just over 2.5 inches. The light face diameter is about 2 1/4. Again, this is just a single diode design, and the LEDs do have a limited lifetime warranty from Peterson. So overall, this is going to be a really nice, very rugged light. The little Allen key that comes with it is to adjust the screws on the back side, including the one on the very bottom of our bracket. You can undo that screw and then take off this little bottom bracket in case you wanted to do some kind of flush housing for this. And that's going to do it for our look at the Peterson Great White LED Work Light.